Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you have long hair like me, good chances are you have some split ends. This is going to help with that so much. Rejuvabeads from Monat uses no harsh chemicals, and it uses really cool science to be able to bond your hair back together and mend split ends. It has a very nice cap for dispensing the liquid, so you only need 1 to 3 pumps all throughout the hair. So I usually use 3. And once you get the pumps in, just emulsify it in your hands and scrunch it on the ends. And what this will do is it'll just bond all those split ends back together and really define your curls, or really make your hair smooth and straight if you already have it straight. I especially love to use this when I'm braiding my hair. So I will put my air dry cream in with my Rejuvabeads. I let it sit overnight. And when I take my hair out, it's going to be a little bit frizzy because I was sleeping on that. So I just put a pump or two in my hands and I rub it through the ends of my hair, and it just ends up making everything look so much cleaner and nicer. It also helps strengthen the hair shaft to prevent further damage from split ends. So this is a must-have in my opinion if you like to have nice hair. And that is my point of view.